How to find your Facebook username and profile link. So if you want to find your Facebook username and profile link, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Once you go on a browser, you need to simply search for Facebook, where login or sign up Facebook, and enter your login information and make sure to log into your account. So if you want to have the profile link, then your profile link is the URL which is generated right here. But if you want to have the Facebook username, then sometimes you might not have added your username onto your Facebook. So you need to simply go for your settings, which will be on the upper right. Go for the settings and privacy, and then go for the settings. Once you get on the settings, you need to simply go for the left where you will have these bunch of options, right? So you need to simply go for account center. Once you're in the account center, go for the profiles, which is on the first, and then choose your Facebook profile. So once you're on the Facebook profile, you will have the username option. Tap on the username, and here you will have no username. But if you have your username under your Facebook, then your username is visible right here. Click on that, and then you can add a username to your Facebook. So for example, I'll be adding a username and click on done, and that's it. That's how you can add your username. So that's it. That's how you can find your Facebook username and your profile link. So your profile link is you need to simply go for your profile at first. So go for the profile. So this is your profile, right? So once you're in the profile, now if you want to have the profile link, then this is your profile link, which is on the upper side. So which is on the search bar. That is your profile link, and the username is the word which is after the facebook.com. So we've just generated the username, right? We've just added the username. So if you have already added the username, then you will have the username right here, which you can see. So that's it. That's your Facebook profile link and your username at the same place. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.